We are going. Speedline freezer cabinet. Specifications: the top is 16 gauge 304 stainless steel, number 4 finish, bound with 4 10-32 stainless steel screws, 2 flush at each end. There's no exposed screws on the front or back of the cabinet. The front and back edges are turned down 102 degrees and an additional 90-degree turn back. This eliminates the gap underneath the top of the counter to the base of the cabinet. The corners are precisely at 90 degrees. This provides a flush alignment with other Speedline cabinets. There is one 3/4 inch diameter pin that's welded at each end. Each pin has a 5x16 diameter hole. The lower hole is used to join the adjacent GA System Speedline cabinets, and the upper hole is to secure the locking bar. The body of the cabinet is fabricated of 1 inch square 18 gauge stainless steel and cold rolled tubing to form the top and bottom frames, and each is welded to a 1.5 inch square 18 gauge stainless steel corner post. Each corner post is filled with urethane foam type insulation, and they are capped to reduce the condensation and to maintain the high sanitary that's needed on all food service products. The interior liner between the outer wall and the interior food well is constructed of 22 gauge stainless steel with 2B finish, and the interliner is surrounded with 1.25 inch number 2000 urethane foam for optimum refrigeration, retention, and control. The exterior front, back, and ends are all trimmed with 22 gauge stainless steel number 4 finish trim to accept the laminate color panels. The front removable access louver panel is fabricated of 18 gauge 304 stainless to provide easy access to the mechanical compartment. The freezer system has a cold wall type refrigeration system and is activated when the unit is plugged into an electrical source. The temperature is preset at the factory to hold prepackaged food at a minimum of 10 degrees. At a minimum minus 10 degrees. It's freezer.
Yeah.
That makes sense, right? Sorry. The electrical requirements for this cabinet are 120 volt, 60 hertz, single phase, 15 amp circuit. It has a 6-foot cord with a NEMA 515P plug. It requires a NEMA 515 receptacle, and it has a 1/4 horsepower compressor which draws 4 amps. Cut.